Attendance Module Administrator setup in Zoho People. We all know the purpose of adding the option of Module Administrator. That is, instead of giving an employee the complete admin access, you can add them as a Module Administrator where you can provide them restricted access to view the data of a particular module. So the process of adding Attendance Administrator is same as that of adding a Leave Administrator. So in order to do that, let's navigate to Settings, Attendance, and under Permissions, we have the option Attendance Administrator. So you can click on Add Administrator, mention the name, select the employee, you can tag the user groups. So the only difference when it comes to adding an Attendance Administrator is nothing but access permissions. What type of access this admin is going to have with respect to the attendance module? So first is about attendance entries. Attendance entries are nothing but check-in and check-out entries. So you can give view access, you can also give edit access. And then we have shift mapping. Like if you have a particular employee in your organization who will be responsible for doing the shift mapping for all of your employees. In that case, you can add them as an attendance module administrator and give them access to view and edit the shift mapping. And then we have reports. So can this admin will have access to view the attendance reports available in the system. So once all the configuration is done, you can click on save. You can also add multiple attendance administrator depending upon various conditions like locations, department. Based on the user groups, you will be able to manage them. This is about the attendance administrator configuration in Zoho People.